Use Findings view in the Security Exposure Management workspace to view security exposure data and act on findings across your organization in real time and all in one unified dashboard. You can access default dashboards, create custom dashboards, and select the widgets to drill down further into security findings. Findings view displays pre-configured dashboards that highlight key security exposure metrics. Select the drop-down menu next to the dashboard name to view existing dashboards. Select the plus icon to create a new dashboard. The Create New Dashboard window will appear, and you can enter the dashboard details and select the visualization. Select Generate Insights to use Now Assist to view the top 5 AI-generated insights and important actions for each dashboard. These insights analyze exposure data, threat intelligence, remediation status, and asset context to provide contextual summaries and actionable recommendations. Select an insight to view additional details. Findings view also displays data visualization widgets for risk and exposure, remediation progress, and assets impacted. These widgets visualize and categorize findings based on various attributes, like vulnerability classification, cloud resources, scan type, and technology. You can also view specific data visualization widgets for exposure types like application, container, and infra vulnerabilities, along with misconfigurations. Click into a widget to view additional details like remediation plans, exception status, and approval history. On the Active Findings page, you can take actions like bulk edit, create remediation tasks, re-evaluate, or export. Findings view in the Security Exposure Management workspace enables you to view interactive dashboards and understand your organization's security exposure data all in one place. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.